What up, bro?
New day, new video. Who this?
King Joffe Joe. Fit is big poacher vibe.
You get different respect while driving too. Like you could just pull out. People will know we're poacher.
Fit goes crazy.
Musket.
A musket. That's what
I didn't find that. They sell clothes like
Donnie
that.
Fudd. Wait, hold up. Donnie Fudd. Hey,
Real. That ain't fake money.
it's Bad Bunny.
It smells like someone's grandma.
Nah. Does it?
That's a hat, bro.
This hat's tough. King Joffe Joe.
It just smells your face.
Smell his face.
Smell his face. Dusted on.
He doesn't like
Damn, you don't like it?
Got Donnie some beard oil. Look at this shit
Goodwill.
glistening. Nah.
Your beard's long as fuck. I've never seen your beard that long before.
It's letting it rock. I'm thinking about cutting mine down.
I'm trying to twin Steve, and now you want to cut it down.
Alright, I'll stay.
The JDM Tony.
It got like a built-in do-rag.
Bill Silky?
Built-in silky. Donnie Fudd.
No, this is just like,
Russia.
it goes from Fudd to Russia Gangster.
Hey.
Need a cut tomorrow, I can't wait.
Looks like he sells fake purse.
Looks like yourself.
That face.
This is a good wardrobe to add to the closet, that's all I'm saying.
You got Lane here taking some flicks.
Pulled up Lyman Orchards. It's like, yeah, Lane, let's go get some pumpkins, get some apple cider. Closed. 7 p.m. on a Monday. Sam pulled up, he's back from his trip. Huge shout out to Lane. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I'm sure you can. My lens was a little smoked. He came through with the cleaning pack, got me right. Now he's doing what the man does. Just wait for it. This video probably won't be out until end of the week, so I will drop some heat here if they're finished, which I'm sure they will be. He don't sleep. Give him a follow. Fire photographer.
Well, can you tell me how the iPhone connects into that? Like, what's going on there, buddy?
Oh, the iPhone does not connect. This is just.
Oh, that's just so you could get both. All right, I see the setup. That's a little different. I was trying to figure it out. I didn't know.
Here's a shitty video
Heaters.
showing what I did, and then here's a really nice.
What do you think, Jesse? Oh, I didn't air the car out, so it started rolling back like mid
Yeah.
photo.
See if he was daring. Pull up right in between.
Alright, we back. We didn't film too much. It was just like we were gonna go to the orchard, we were gonna get some like apple cider, and I wanted a pumpkin. And we were gonna shoot the 14, which we still did. So I'm very hyped to get those back. Some light exposure, contrasting, lights dark with flashlights and glow sticks, smoke and mirrors. He's gonna kill it. Lane's very good. If you guys are local to Connecticut, Mass, Northeast area, check him out. Very talented photographer, and he's the homie, so go show him some love, support him. Lane JPEG on IG. 13 should be getting the parts back from Anthony later this week. Painted them earlier in the week, so those should be done soon. And yeah, kitted up, mirrors, this, that, everything that's missing, get those done. So I'm hyped on that. But stay tuned, don't go anywhere, because we'll pick back up on things tomorrow. Goodbye. Good night. What's up, guys? New day. Was editing all day. I've been daily uploading, which is rare, but keep it going, you know? Oh, I got a new haircut, by the way, today. Jesse, what do you think about it?
It looks good. It's a little dark in here, I'll be honest. I thought I pressed the button and the window went down, honestly. You scared the hell out of me.
So,
nah, I like it. It looks good.
Today, Anthony dropped off the mirrors and stuff. They're in Jimmy's, but we gotta go pick up the rear bumper at his shop right now. There's Steve. Shout out Steve.
Come on over here.
What you got going on?
I gotta go pick up my bumper from...
That's a good shirt.
Right? With the infrareds too?
Donnie kills it.
It kind of went
He honestly
good.
doesn't sleep.
It kind of...
Show him the what?
Show Stevie the pic.
Crushed it with the fade. Yeah, nah, you crushed it. Look like Bad Bunny's producer. Or like Bad Bunny's tour manager.
Anthony's.
Hey.
Here to pick up the bumper, especially fucking Bad Bunny.
You're painting this car? Huh? You're painting this car? Oh. Yeah. All right. One, right? Ant. The other ant.
Taking the bumper up, trim piece, and then he dropped off the mirrors, door handles. I saw that today. Very good. Wrap this up, load it in the van, and put it on. Bing bong. Tuck it in. Little burrito, like so. Wait. Alright. Just gonna go back. There we go.
It doubts you.
Everything fits in this van. I'm telling
You look like Elton John's cousin.
Listen, I've put refrigerators, dirt bikes,
Good at though.
couches, 65-inch TVs. I fit it all in that. That thing, the roof, big TV on the roof.
Ooh, that one was as bad.
Little assembly required. Oh, it's perfect.
Mmm.
Perfect. Nice. Anthony, good stuff, dude, man. Exciting stuff. Big shout out to Anthony. Alright, we'll leave you to it, Anthony. Make sure you come by the shop before I leave. It'll be all together. You can see it. Alright? Yeah, you gotta come check it out.
Stickers.
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 I'll order it. Now we gotta get the parts over at James's. All the little stuff.
You should have made a music video today.
Make a music video.
And we're here, YouTube magic. What the?
He does kind of look like Bad Bunny right
He
now.
kind of looks fire, right?
This
guy got a fit on.
Where did you go? Where did you get this shit? He goes, what party are you going to? I said, I'm here to pick the bumpers up. No party, just...
No, I am the party.
What'd you do? Give away a bunch of shoes and buy a quilt to put on your back? What the fuck?
Not intruding on, I just gotta grab these.
Yeah, let's see it.
Look at Anthony painted the mirrors, the gas door, the handles. Did something a little different with the little B-pillar
Bien.
trim.
What do you
Normally
mean?
they're like matte,
Maybe something gloss.
semi.
I can't take you serious right now.
So So I went with the gloss to match the exterior of the car. It could go crazy.
Everything on the car is brand new wavy. Everything now is painted brand new and wavy.
Doors, fresh black. You know?
You heard? If you listen, you could hear the ocean of Japan.
You hear? Listen.
Oh. They're moving the car. And Brian's working.
What the hell are you doing?
Filming.
Filming.
Yeah, what do we got going on here? Give us a little update.
Put like album covers on.
This thing looks good. It's soon, baby.
Yeah.
Kid. Yeah. He didn't bring his passport and
Brand new set? They're brand new. Chrome. They look similar to the other ones, but I like them. Good fit in it. Tire. They all sit nice. Got all the parts back from Anthony. I was gonna put them on tonight, but I have to go home and I have to order some tickets, which I will mention in this video. Big news coming. Very hyped for this. This is gonna be an adventure to say the least. Me and Tommy are hitting the road again, going somewhere that I've never been, never thought I would go, and I'm very hyped for it. So that content's gonna be crazy. Meet Tommy, Tokyo, you guys will see. Tell you more about it in a little bit, but I gotta go home, get on my computer and book a bunch of flights because it is coming soon, and I have a lot to do. COVID tests, international driver's license, flights to Cali, flights to Vegas, it's gonna be crazy. So we gotta go book some tickets, but this we will pick back up on tomorrow.
Damn, those bumps, dude.
Yeah, you gotta be careful. What?
Second's no good.
First.
Yeah.
And then you gotta plug second.
No.
No? He's wild. Guys, so we are back at the shop. Exciting day, exciting stuff. Late start to the day. Ordering tickets, this international shit. It's frustrating. It's like, it's not as easy as just booking a flight somewhere in the US. When it's international, it's like crazy. You gotta pick like the food you want, if you want slippers. It's crazy. Stay tuned because I will talk about what is happening and stuff. But what I want to focus on, I want to get this all put together. That way it's complete and together. It'll be good. It'll be a great sight to see. That being said, let's jump right into it and get this stuff on. What should I start with, the door first maybe? I think so. Let's do that. This B-pillar trim right here. I cleaned the glass off, a little razor blade. Am I nice? Can I do this with one hand? Let's see. Not clipped in. I need two hands. A little out of hand. So I put the mirrors on. I have to take them off, but they're better than all on the ground. But the B-pillar on, paint matched. Come on. What?
Isn't one of these door handles broken?
This is just a little damaged. That's the only thing that's broken.
Does that matter?
No, it's a retainer clip. It's finding stuff for this is unbelievable. But the gas door's on. We're gonna throw the bumper on quickly right now, so it's off the ground. Rear bumper on, and the center piece there. It's hard to see because it's black and it's good. So tomorrow, I just gotta go buy myself a battery so we can put the damn windows up, put the door handles in, already said that. And then I got the side skirt repaired, Brian's fixing the side skirt and the front bumper, so that should be done soon. I won't be here, but it should be done and painted when I come back, which is nice. But I'm very hyped on the B-pillar trim. That looks good. It looks good. It's very uniform, fits good, looks good. Very happy with that. Battery tomorrow. Take the door card back off, put the door handle on. Interior last. Save that for last. We're getting close. We're getting close. We'll wrap it up tomorrow. Hey, come on, Eric. We gotta show them this. Success. Today was a success. I got my international driver's license, which I didn't tell them anything about. Yeah, that's fucked. My 14 shit all over the door. Ant got his car, tires all on it. He's ready for the snow. And what's good about those tires, you can put studs in them in the future. That would be sick.
Snow anymore.
If when a lake freezes, we could take our cars on the lake.
You first.
I'll take the fan on the lake, kid. Told this quick. I'm gonna show them, run them down on it.
I don't know.
It's filming.
Oh.
Fuck. All right. So I took the wheel off. That James let me use the FDX7, the work ones, plus 38 offset all around, triple chromed.
Yeah.
The ones that we test fitted on here. Got the Minervas on for now, but the wheels need to be refinished, and it needs new coilovers. But don't go anywhere. There's still stuff to talk about. So the moldings, when I'm gone, I'm gonna have Anthony. Anthony, if you're watching this, I need these fixed. Please, if you could help me. I need these refinished because these are like a rubberized coating over the metal. Anyways, haven't put those on.
The last piece.
The whole, yeah, exactly what I was getting to right
All
here.
of this redone.
Careful.
Redone.
It's already on it. Book it. Okay.
Everything's on.
Everything is on. Mirrors, trim, panels, this, that, the third. And I need a new key ring. I have one, but I need a new one. Tail lights
That sounds
in.
like an issue.
Bumpers in. So.
Taillights are in.
Yeah, they're in. And then when I come back.
Gas door.
Get door cards, door handles, realign the glass last night. Don't mind it. We need the mirrors need to come off in order to put the trim on, so I'm not gonna put that on. Then interior when I come back. Oh, where am I going, you should say? I didn't really talk about it, but it's the end of this video, and I'll kind of be en route. I don't know. Going to Japan with Tommy. See Grant out there. I told Ant to come, but he's got warrants, so you can't leave the country. I hope I don't got any warrants, because they'll hold me in Japan, or I won't even make it there. Get sushi in prison. I'll be chilling in Japan prisons. Probably butter, cake.
Probably bad.
No. The Wakuza and me.
Probably bad there.
Go back.
It's probably bad.
No. Japan is
Probably
the most
whip you.
peaceful place on the earth.
Yeah, so if you do anything very small and bad, dead.
You think?
Maybe.
This is all stuff we're gonna find out, and I can't wait to bring you guys with me, and we're gonna see what it's about. But we're gonna end it there. The coupe coming together, starting to look like a car again. The bumper, the skirts, wait on it. It's coming. You know? It's coming. That's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. 13 looks great. 14, can't say too much about it. It's a good car. It's a good car. So stay tuned for the next one. Me and Ant are gonna go just do some off-roading, and like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.